Hello everyone, it's me Abhishek and I'll be demonstrating how the provided cell program small sh works by running it into the GDB. Before debugging, let's compile the program. This is the program has been compiled and we can see we have executable small sh. So let's quickly move to debugging using small sh, and now we're inside the debugger. Let's put in breakpoint into the main function to inspect the program's entry point. And if we run it, we can see that GDB stops at the main function. A main function contains a loop that calls user input to process user input, right? So user in is a function that processes the input, user input. And the first major function over here is user input. So let's put break at user in. Now let's continue the execution. In the user input, we can see that we have two variables, right? Input buffer and token buffer. So if we continue and if I give ls minus l command and print input buffer, then ls and minus l commands are stored in input buffer, and in tokenized buffer what happens is the tokenized version of ls and minus l is present. Now let's move to the procline function, which processes the tokenized input. For that, I will set break at procline. Now let's continue, and so we're into the procline function, and inside the procline we can see that there is an arg variable which is initialized to count the arguments. So if we check the an arg value, we have 6, which is the number of files that we have previously given. And in this case, the command ls minus l, the program next calls run command to execute the parse command. So let's set a breakpoint at run command .c at line number 10. Okay. No, break run command. There was a typo. Oh, another typo. Run command .c. Yeah, we have successfully created a breakpoint in the run command. Now let's continue, and we are into the run command. Here we can see that the program uses fork to create a child process. Let's inspect the PID variable to see the child process ID and print PID. And also we have where, which indicates whether it's background or foreground process. Initially we provided ls minus l, so let's check. So it's a foreground process because the value is 0. And if we just continue and then put here sleep 5 and here, this indicates a background process, right? So if we go to the run command, it must now give uh, where is 1 because it's a background process, and here we go, we have 1 because it's a background process, right? uh, Now let's inspect the errors. We also have the error handling, so how the program handles the invalid commands by entering a non-existent command. So in this case, let's put xyz, and it says undefined command. So let's quit. Yeah, that's all. So this concludes our debugging session. We explored the core function of the cell program: user in for input, procline for processing the command, and run command for execution. We also saw how the program handles both foreground and background processes and gracefully reports the error. So that's all. Thank you.